Drop the head, drop it.
Wow.
Good. Point your toes down for me. Give you a push. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. Just going to come down with it, give you a push. Big release there, wow. One more time, all the way out. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to strap you in here, okay? So you can feel a slight pull towards me.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Just relax it.
Mm-hmm.
Point your toes down for me.
Oh, my goodness.
How'd that feel?
Amazing. My goodness.
Did you get a good release on it?
Yes.
Nice, nice. Just relax it.
Mm-hmm.
Now grip on with your hands only. Very good. Same thing here, okay? Perfect. Perfect. Just relax it. Perfect. Okay, head all the way down to my hand. Just relax that shoulder for me. Now just give me full control here. Just relax the head. Drop it towards the left, drop it.
Oh,
Perfect.
wow.
How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Feel all that tension release when we did
Yeah.
that? Great. And down into my hand. Just relax that shoulder there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, just give me full control. Just relax it. Drop the head, drop it.
Wow.
Great release.
Wow.
You feel that one release before we adjusted, right?
Yes.
Nice. How's it feeling?
So much better.
Great.
Alright, good to go.
Just relax it for me.
Oh.
And lean back just a bit for me. Perfect.